This is part 2 of the hydrogen peroxide experiment. Please watch the first video on our page if you haven't yet. So our first object was a latex glove, and as we add peroxide to it, nothing really happens. It's a similar story for the plastic bag. However, adding the peroxide to the soil results in a lot of small bubbles forming, which we can see at the top of the liquid.
With the yeast, we get a really big reaction, lots and lots of bubbles. When we add peroxide to the potato, it also bubbles quite a bit, even when not much is added. It's hard to see, but there are small bubbles coming from the wood.
And then the baking soda, just like the bag and the glove, has no reaction.
So why do some things bubble in hydrogen peroxide while others don't? Hydrogen peroxide's formula is H2O2, and it can break down into water and oxygen. This is a chemical reaction that is catalyzed by an enzyme called catalase, which is present in all living things. Here, you can see how catalase works by breaking hydrogen peroxide down into H2O and oxygen, 2 parts. So, why are we seeing bubbles? That is the oxygen gas that's being formed when catalase comes into contact with hydrogen peroxide and when we pour hydrogen peroxide on items that have catalase enzyme in them. Check out part 3 for more cool uses for hydrogen peroxide.